Hi, I'm Mallory Seckler. I teach 5th grade at Westernport Elementary School. Today I'm going to model multiplication of decimals using partial products. Today's problem is Jack ran 2 3/10 miles today. His sister ran 1 4/10 times farther. How many miles did Jack's sister run? So I know that Jack ran 2 3/10 miles. And I know that his sister ran 1 4/10 times as far. So I know that my operation needs to be multiplication because his sister is running 1 4/10 times farther. So my equation is going to be 2 3/10 times 1 4/10 equals. So how I want to solve this is I want to decompose my numbers according to their place value. So I want to take 2 3/10 and decompose that as 2 plus 3/10. And I'll do the same for 1 4/10. So 1 4/10 decomposed according to place value is 1 4/10. So I'm going to multiply my 2, I'm going to take my 2 and multiply it by my whole number 1. And 2 times 1 equals 2. Now I'm going to take my 2 again and multiply it by my 4/10. So I have 2 times 4/10 equals 8/10. Now I have to take my 3/10 and I'm going to multiply 3/10 again by 1. 3/10 times 1 equals 3/10. Then I'm going to take my 3/10 and multiply it by my 4/10. 3/10 times 4/10 equals 12/100. So now I have partial products for all of these multiplication problems. So I'm going to take my partial products and add them all together to get my final product. So I'm going to take 2 whole and I'm going to add 8/10, and I want to have this lined up according to place value, plus my 3/10 plus my 12/100. And I'm going to add these together. So I have 2 hundredths, and I am adding that to, I have no other hundredths to add that to, so that is 2 hundredths. So now I want to look at my tenths, and I'm going to add 8/10 plus 3/10 plus 1/10, which equals 1 2/10. So I place my 2/10 and I have my 1 whole. So now I can add my whole numbers. I have 1 whole plus 2 whole equals 3 whole. And my answer is 3 22/100. Add that to my story. My equation would look like this. So now I have my equation, 2 3/10 times 1 4/10 equals 3 22/100. So if I put that back into my story, I know that Jack's sister ran 3 22/100 miles farther than Jack.